Do you say stay for everything? Stay home, stay calm, stay there, stay with me. Using one simple word again and again makes your English sound repetitive. Strong speakers choose more precise expressions, depending on context. Watch carefully. Subscribe and help me reach 1,000 subscribers. Stay can mean remain, live, wait, or keep a state. Here are 6 better alternatives. 1. When talking about location, instead of stay here, say remain here. Wait here. Don't move. Example, please remain here. Two. When talking about living somewhere, instead of stay at a hotel, say check in at a hotel. Book a room. Spend the night. Example, we'll spend the night at a hotel. Three. When talking about continuing a state, instead of stay calm, say remain calm. Keep calm. Stay composed better. Remain composed. Example, remain calm in stressful situations. Thanks for watching until the end. If you're interested in IELTS and want to improve step by step, please check out my Gumroad link in the video description. I've made practical materials that you can actually use for your study. And if this video helped you even a little, please subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. Reaching 1,000 subscribers is my next goal, and your support really helps me keep creating free lessons like this. Subscribes and likes are what keep this channel going. They're the reason I can keep making more helpful English videos for you. If you want to watch more lessons right now, click one of the videos on the screen. I'll see you in the next video.